I'm starting today with some home tips of living a minimal lifestyle and as far as organizing your stuff for the minimal amount of cash and just stuff you even might have lying around. Like I use a lot of cardboard and I'm drying my mint from my garden here. You can see I always have some herbs or stuff drying. Hey, right below that you can see a nice plastic tote. Plastic totes are great when you're on the move or in transition. Heck, I moved into an apartment about 6 or 7 months ago, and I'm still living out of many of my totes. Also right behind that, you can see my Army duffel, really great rugged storage solution, temporary or semi-permanent. If you're really in a pinch, trash bags like this lawn and leaf bag are really made out of rugged plastic. I think they're like 1 mil thick. You can get those and they really last for a long time. Got a lot of bedding and sheets in there and stuff, so that works out pretty well. Got some milk crates below here, which I don't know if you can see on camera, but milk crates are really great for organizing books and papers and stuff like that. How about home furnishings? If you're on the go or living a really frugal, minimal lifestyle, well, I'm sitting in a what's called a sand chair. These things are great. They're pretty rugged. You can get different, just make sure that they fit you in the width. Some of the cheaper models, you can barely fit in them, but I've got a really nice one here. Aluminum frame, nice nylon webbing, like a Cordura nylon webbing. And these things are really versatile, even for just hanging around inside. Really portable for going to the beach, the parks, camping, what have you. And you always have a chair around. And in a pinch, if you've got company and you've got a couple some extra, real wooden chairs, it's always good to have a sand chair at your disposal. Also, if you are lacking bedding like a futon or mattress, I have been using closed cell foam for many years, and I prefer actually sitting on the floor cross-leg style. I find it to be a lot healthier for me ergonomically. So I will sit on this and work on my laptop or read on these. I have slept many nights indoors and out on closed cell foam. And when I want to recline on the floor often, like setting my laptop up on a book or something like that, I just kind of extend this in thirds where I'll kind of put my hip on the single ply, and where I'm really bearing down with my elbows with more weight, I'll double that up. And that makes a really convenient, versatile cushioning solution on the floor. So what do you guys think about some easy, frugal living tips for home storage as well as furnishing both indoors and on the go? Thanks for watching. Please click that thumb up button like everybody else says, but mostly I'm really looking forward to reading your comments below.